watching the Instagram Reels trend just pop up all over and you're wondering how you can dive in as a wedding pro, I'm going to share 3 tips that you can use to get started on Reels right away. Hi, I'm Jody Ann, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them up-level their digital marketing. And by the way, my course, the Wedding Marketing Accelerator, is currently open for enrollment. So if you're struggling to market your business and find leads online, you definitely want to check us out. The price is going up shortly and we're limited on spots. So I'm going to drop the link below. Check it out. We kick off in January with 3 months of live support while you go through the course. So here's the thing. Instagram is really prioritizing Reels right now. And if you're looking in the app, you might notice that Reels are kind of at the forefront. Instagram has even changed their layouts. So Reels is right in the center. And the minute you go to the Explore page, one of the first things you'll usually see are other people's Reels. So you might be thinking, I'm a wedding planner. How do I take advantage of this? Well, I'm going to share 3 ideas that's guaranteed to get you some hearts, get you some likes, and possibly get you some followers. So here's the first one. So the first thing you want to do is you want to give some tips or tricks to potential clients. So think about something that your clients usually struggle with. Maybe it's finding a venue, maybe it's finding the best wedding dress, and you can just do one of those pointer videos, you know, the ones where they're playing music and they're pointing places, and you just give them some tips such as 5 things to look for when you're choosing a venue or 3 things to think about when you're choosing your wedding dress. And that's the first one. The second thing that you can do is show behind the scenes of your business. Because here's the thing, a lot of people often have ideas about what you do in your business or your career. And unless you're in it, you usually don't know. So if you're a wedding planner, people might just assume that all you do every day is sit inside these beautiful venues, maybe do some cake tasting, and it's easier and your job is done. So you could flip the switch, play around with it, and just show them what it's actually really like for a day in your life. The third tip, and this is honestly one that will get you some good popularity contest points, if that's what you're after. But this one is where you just hop on a popular trend. And one example is, I don't know if you've seen that one where everyone's just showing themselves hopping down to the music to go do something they shouldn't do, like me on my way to the fridge for my 100 snack for the day during quarantine, right? You can do something like that, but make it something that you know your clients can identify with. So maybe it's me on my way to tell the photographer that he's not allowed to be changing the dates on my clients or just changing his retainer fees on my clients, right? Something that they can identify with and be like, that's right, I'm onto it. I promise you, try those 3 ideas out and see how they go, because if you do it well, you're guaranteed to get lots of interactions on your account. And the great thing about Reels right now is because Instagram is prioritizing it, your content will get to the forefront if they're doing well. Thanks so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, right? So that you can get more videos like this one week after week.